Welcome. Do you know that you can create a letterhead on your phone with the use of Canva? Yes, it is possible. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get that done in just 5 minutes. I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to our workspace as we start the exploration right away. So this is my phone. Remember how to download Canva? You need to go to your Play Store. So when you get to your Play Store, download Canva from your Play Store. This is Canva right here. I click on my Canva. So when I click on my Canva, the first thing I'm going to do, let me start it from the beginning. First thing I'm going to do is to click on the plus button. So when I click on the plus button, from there it will bring all the templates available. So I'm going to be looking for letter templates. So resume is not also bad for our letterhead. So poster can be used, resume can be used. They are in form of A4 paper. So let me click on it, and let's start the exploration right away. So when I click on it, the first thing I'm going to do is to make sure that I get to I look at a lot of ideas online on how I want my letterhead to look like. So that is the first thing you need to do. I already know how I want to get the letterhead done. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to make sure that I just I bring out my logo first. I bring out my logo. This is my organization logo over here. Then the logo is going to be here. Then when I click on illustration, this is illustration over here. Let me go and look at some gradients. From there, I should be able to get some lovely abstract shape that I can use to create a lot. Yes, I've seen the one I actually like, but I'm still looking for more. This is not bad. I'm also going to change, but I'm going to change the color, and I want to make this color is quite very bright. I want to make sure that it is mature enough. I want to make it white. Yes. Remember, there's something at the back. So I'm going to click over here to bring this down. Then my logo will be on top. I want to duplicate this. This is where to duplicate. Then I'm bringing the second one down here. The next thing I'm going to do, I click on the plus button again. I go to my template. Just be creative about it, and should be able to create something nice if you try to be creative about it. Yes, it's possible. I want to make this transparent. And what color should I make this? This fine. Yes. Then duplicate this. Need something like this. Backward little. Duplicate 1, 2, 3. Just going to make sure that there are taste of creativity around it. The next thing, let me try to look for another form of gradient. Maybe something else is there that I can use. In the absence of nothing, let me duplicate this my logo. Start duplicating this logo. I want to filter. Click on filter. Then I want to filter the logo. Think advanced filter blur. So I'm looking for transparent. If I can't find transparent, okay, this is it up here. Up here, I can find it. Then I make it transparent so that the logo of the organization will be like a shadow below it. Then what next again? The next thing I'm going to do is to let me look for shape. Shape. Let me see what I can use here that can. So I can even do without this and use nope. What I want to delete is not deleting. This is what I want to delete. And duplicate. And use dark blue. Trying to just create something out of nothing. Then green. Green. Another color purple. Just trying to just play with the background to achieve my theme around it. Then orange. No, orange is hot. Blue. Green. No. Blue. Second blue. No. I've used this before. And this is my last color. Then from here right now, I now have my background ready, and I would need to write the address of the organization and any other thing, so I can do that. I click on the plus button, then I click on text, then I look for any template. There are a lot of templates there in terms of write up, so I will just look for template. This is fine. CME foundation. I'm just going to do is to reduce I think I don't need this. I'm still trying to make sure that I achieve my aim with it. I'll just write my address over here. Address right away is 409. Okay. Creative Mind Avenue. Bagada, Lagos. Then I will just add email address. Creative Mind at gmail.com. Remember, I can change the font to something more tiny so that likewise this. So this is my file. So if I have any letter I actually want to work on, I can just copy the letter, I paste it here. Then to save it, just click on the blue button on top, blue button, click on save as, then you save it as. You click on the PNG, then you will see another option of saving. Just click on PDF print. What page? The first page. Then I click on download, then it will download immediately. So this is how to go about it. It is very simple. I'd like you to give it a try. Create your own PDF or your own letterhead, and as much as possible, you can now be sending letters to anybody on WhatsApp, anywhere all over the world. Let me open it on WSP so that you can see my letterhead, and I can actually edit it anywhere else. So thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye.